Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here with yet another video for you. Today we're going to be talking about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So if you don't know about ClickFunnels, we'll be going over that in this video today. And I'm also going to show you how I've been promoting ClickFunnels without actually promoting ClickFunnels, so to speak. And I'm going to outline that for you too as well. So if you're somebody that's here brand new, welcome to the channel for the first time. I'm uploading videos right now on a daily basis, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So whether you're brand new or you're back to the channel, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, you like this video, and you do not forget to subscribe and go ahead and tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So to show you guys just some quick proof of my affiliate earnings from indirectly promoting ClickFunnels, you guys can see that right now, about $1,248.15 are pending. I've been paid a total of $9,179.44. And here are my lifetime earnings, $10,427.59 from not even promoting ClickFunnels directly. And you can see that this account right here, this affiliate account, has grown drastically just in the past month. I believe last time I did a video on ClickFunnels, I talked a little bit about ClickFunnels, but not as in depth as this video. I was right around, I think like 18 or so customers, between 15 and 18. Now I'm like jumped up to 29, as you can see here. So my average monthly recurring revenue is right around $1,100, okay, from 29 members. And I've got a large percentage of people that are sticking to the trial. This is just for the past 7 days, by the way, all this data here. So I've got 2 new trials that have committed to trying out ClickFunnels for 14 free days. And then I've got 5 people that are still continuing the trial. But the numbers are looking solid. So you guys are probably wondering, number one, what is ClickFunnels and how can you start making money with their affiliate program? Well, I've been a paying client of ClickFunnels, man, for the past 3 years, I think. And this tool is incredible because this is what you need. I mean, if you're going to build any type of business on the internet, right, you need a sales process. Without a sales process, your business is broken. It's kind of like having a convenience store without the actual store, unless you're a very successful, e-commerce store. So I mean, imagine that you've got an offline business and you're trying to sell goods, but you don't have a store to, store those goods in. That's going to pose a problem, right? So ClickFunnels is the answer when it comes to creating websites and creating sales processes. Right? You need to sort of handhold people and guide them through a step-by-step process that will take them from point A to being introduced to your product to point B to actually buying your product, while building a relationship, with the client at the same time, right? So these are just essential tools that you need. They're like picks, shovels, axes. You need to mine gold. On the internet, you need autoresponders, funnel building softwares like ClickFunnels, website building softwares, and you need other tools. And so, ClickFunnels, again, been using it for the past 3, almost 4 years. And, I've created tons and tons of funnels. My business runs on ClickFunnels. You'll notice in all the descriptions of my videos, I send people to a website, right? And that website is powered by ClickFunnels. Without that website, you wouldn't be seeing, commissions like this, right? On a Sunday, $200, and last Thursday, last Wednesday, between $1,400 to $1,600. I mean, that's just incredible, all due, to ClickFunnels. So, if you're going to promote something, number one, you've got to be a customer and you've got to have a success story with it. If you're going to promote ClickFunnels, I would highly recommend that you own the product, that you use the product, and that you know the product incredibly well. So with that said, when you're promoting anything on the internet, you should never promote it directly. You should never go out there and say, hey, you guys want to learn how to build websites and build funnels and improve your sales process? You need ClickFunnels. You don't teach people that. what you would do is teach them how to gain more revenue in their business, right? How to, maybe systematize everything. And then ClickFunnels is sort of the demonstration that you would show as you're teaching this other stuff, as it's just like a small part of the puzzle, right? So if I was teaching you guys marketing, I was like, okay, here's what a successful marketing business looks like. And I would write out what traffic looks like and what a capture page and a bridge page and a thank you page look like and an autoresponder, right? I would first explain that to you so you understand what the process looks like and why you need these specific tools without promoting them, directly. So after I would complete my presentation, I basically tell them, hey, if you want to check out these tools, I'll link them up in the description below, right? And more likely than not, people will go and they'll click the description and the links in the description, they'll check out the tools, and they're more likely to buy those tools. So let me take this a step further. What if you had somebody else that systematized a process that sold not just ClickFunnels for you, but sold other tools as well? So you're not just making money off this one income stream, but you're making money from multiple directions, promoting stuff that people already need to build their online business. And that's when I came across the 4%. And I've talked about this in my other videos, and you can feel free to check out, the 4% review that I have in the description below. But essentially, the 4% is about helping entrepreneurs become independent, build their own online business, or even grow their business. If you're a current affiliate marketer, network marketer, coach, consultant, you're an author, you have any type of business that you want to build, pizza parlor, offline brick and mortar store, this program is going to show you how to do that, right? And there's also symbiotic income streams that are plugged into the ecosystem as people go through a series of videos. And as they complete each video, Vic is educating them, right? The creator of the program is educating them on everything they need to know about an online business. And through that education, he's building goodwill. People are understanding, like he's not just telling people to go and buy something, but he's explaining why they need it, right? And then leaving it up to them whether they see the value in it and whether they should purchase or not. And that's what sales should really be about. So essentially, in a nutshell, the 4% has one single program that leads into other programs, and that program is known as the challenge, right? And the challenge has different levels, right, that you need to complete. They basically have a basic level, an intermediate level, and an advanced level, aka the $10,000 challenge, the $100,000 challenge, and the $1 million challenge. So in the $10,000 challenge, it's sort of the basics and the foundation that you need to create your first $10,000 a month online and to be able to create a consistent $10,000 a month thereafter. Now, it's no guarantee of income because it's going to be up to your willingness to go through and complete all the videos. We're talking like there are 30 plus videos in the challenge, and each success pill, metaphorically speaking, is a video that will tell you, for example, here's what you need to start your business. And they'll go through the essential tools that you need. Here's the mentality that you need, to get involved in an online business. Here's the mindset principles you need to know about. So he covers everything from mindset to the technical stuff to the how-to stuff. And what's difficult, when it comes to most programs is they'll only teach you just a small segment of what you need to know to build an online business, right? Because coaching a newbie, if you're somebody that's new or struggling, it's difficult. It's difficult. And most people don't want to spend the time or energy, to be honest with you, to go out there and create a revolutionary product like this that will teach you everything with all the gaps filled. So you can go into it knowing, hey, after video 1, here are all the steps that I need to complete based off of video 1. And then you'll move on to video 2. And so it'll show you how to go from 0 all the way to $10,000 a month through these bite-sized training videos. And here's an example of one of them. Here's session 7, and it's very simple and straightforward. Directions and goals, strangest secret, right? You'll learn a little bit more about what this actually means when you go through it. But you can see there's an overview video and then there's step-by-step videos with action plans to complete. And then here on number 3, this says must-have tools for successful campaign. And then here is where my affiliate link is embedded for ClickFunnels, okay? Which is right here, number 3. So what's really cool about this is Vic will introduce these tools to your customers on your behalf without you having to sell them directly whatsoever. So as people go through the challenge and they pay their monthly subscription to be a part of the challenge, you're going to get paid from ClickBank. You're also going to get paid, from ClickFunnels, and you're going to get paid on the other symbiotic income streams here like GetResponse and ClickMagick, right? So just see the power in, especially a lot of you guys maybe have dealt with making some money and then losing all your income, then making some money and losing your income. Some of you guys have not made a dime online before, but here's a lesson you need to learn. You need to have multiple streams of income that allow you to make more money by doing what you're already doing. Essentially what you're doing is you're driving traffic on the front end, but then when you have a back end system that's effective, you don't have to work harder to make more income because you have the system that is doing all the heavy lifting for you. The system is introducing different tools, different programs on your behalf without you having to be there, without you having to talk to somebody on the phone or on Skype or even on Messenger. And so I love that Vic really handholds people throughout this whole entire process of building an online business without a stone left unturned. Everything is covered. And I've been in this industry for 10 plus years now, struggled for 5 because I didn't have access to a program like this. So this is truly, revolutionary. Again, you have the action steps right here and tells you everything that you need to do. So, this video obviously was about ClickFunnels, but this is how I'm making money with ClickFunnels, is plugging into a system that sells ClickFunnels indirectly on my behalf through high quality educational material, right? So with that said, if you guys want to get access to the 4% and the challenge, you can click the link below in the description. You can also check out ClickFunnels below if you want to take a 14-day trial and you want to become an affiliate and become a part of their affiliate program. And by the way, just to show you how to do that real quick, you'll go to ClickFunnels dashboard. Once you get access to your account, you'll go over here in the top right-hand corner, you'll click on affiliates, and it'll take you to this page once you have a ClickFunnels account, because you need a ClickFunnels account to become an affiliate, okay? So again, I'll leave that link in the description below. You can get access to a free 14-day trial. And then once you're here, you'll click affiliate tools, get my links, all right? And that's where you're led to this page to where you can grab your affiliate links. So for example, there's one right here. There's one right here, just different funnels that sell the same product, which is ClickFunnels. There's one right here, and this is the one that I'm pretty sure that I use here. Just the free 14-day trial does incredibly well, and you'll notice most people stick. So 100% of people in the past week have not only done the trial, but they ended up paying the monthly fee, and it ranges anywhere between, I think, $97 all the way up to $3 or $4.97. I paid $2.97 because I build a lot of funnels. So it really depends on how many funnels you plan on building. But at some point down the road, whether you avoid it today or tomorrow or for months, you're going to have to, come in contact with the fact that you're going to need ClickFunnels. You're going to need a funnel building software. So they're the best in the market. They're the funnel software that is my #1 recommendation. Super easy to use. Drag and drop, point and click, rows, columns. It's easy. Russell Brunson shows you how to, when you first log in, how to create a funnel from complete scratch. So if you got value from this video, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel. And all in all, it's up to you whether you want to come on the ride with me and join with what I'm doing. I'm just showing you guys day by day what I'm doing in my life. But again, it's entirely up to you guys. I want you guys to know that. I appreciate you no matter what. Whether you just want to digest the information, apply it to your own business, or whether you want to join me, I'm here to serve. So with that said, Josh Eller signing off. comment below if you plan on getting access to ClickFunnels. Just comment yes, I'm getting access to ClickFunnels below if you're getting access. And you know, we'll create funnels together. I'll give you guys access. If you do get access to ClickFunnels and you email me at my email below, I'll put it in the description, I will give you access to my highest converting funnels that I use. And that's just sort of an unannounced bonus that I just came up with off the top of my head. But I'll give you access to all the funnels that I've used to build a multiple six-figure business, yearly business online. So that's a bonus for, you know, getting access to ClickFunnels and trying it out. And I hope you appreciate that. So with that said, Josh Eller signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.